Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation. Today, I'll share what I believe is the most important function of media and why it matters in everyday life. Media is everywhere on phones, TVs, laptops, radios, and all over the internet. People rely on it for entertainment, communication, education, and connection. But even though media has many rules, not all of them affect us equally. So the big question is, which function has the strongest impact on people today? Let's find out. Number 1. Identifying the most relevant function. For many people, the most relevant and influential function of media is providing information. Information is the foundation of how society understands the world. It guides how people think, react, and respond to events. Through media, we learn about what is happening, why it matters, and how it affects our daily lives. This makes information one of the most powerful tools that media offers. Number 2. And why information matters. Here's why the information function of media stands out as the most important. It keeps us aware of what is happening. Media delivers updates about school, the community, the country, and the world. News reports, announcements, and online posts helps people understand current issues. Without media, important events would be hidden and society would struggle to stay informed. It helps us make better decisions. People can evaluate what is true, what is false, and what needs attention. With accurate information, decision becomes smarter, whether it's about safety, educational, or daily choices. Media helps filter facts from misinformation. It improves learning. Media expands learning beyond books and classroom. Tutorials, infographics, articles, and educational videos provide easy access to knowledge. This makes learning faster, clearer, and sometimes even more enjoyable. It connects us to the world. Media open doors to different cultures, experience, and perspective. It helps people understand others, build awareness, and develop empathy. Through media, the world feels smaller, more connected, and easier to understand. Number 3. Examples in everyday life. Here are simple daily actions that show how powerful media is when it provides information. Watching educational videos on YouTube, people learn lessons, skills, and new concepts easily through visual explanation. Reading news updates on Facebook, social media is a quick source of announcements, weather alerts, and trending issues. Searching for information on Google when answers are needed. Search engines provide definition, facts, and explanation instantly. Learning skills through online content, cooking tips, study hacks, digital skills, and creative hobbies can be learned anytime and anywhere. These examples prove that information from media is used constantly in daily life.